We have more news about Dolly. Dolly Parton does not want a statue of herself at the Tennessee Capitol, at least not right now. We told you last month a state lawmaker introduced a bill that would add a statue of Dolly to the Capitol grounds in Nashville. The idea of a statue has been around for a while, though. In 2020, thousands of people signed a petition calling for a statue of the country singer as a replacement for statues of Confederacy leaders, including a bust of early KKK leader Nathan Bedford Forrest. Well, today, Dollywood released a statement from the singer, and it said in part, "I am honored and humbled by their intention, but I have asked the leaders of the state legislature to remove the bill from any and all consideration. Given all that is going on in the world, I don't think putting me on a pedestal is appropriate at this time." She went on to say, "I hope, though, that somewhere down the road, several years from now, or perhaps after I'm gone, if you still feel I deserve it, then I'm certain I will stand proud in our great state capitol as a grateful Tennessean." And she added that in the meantime, she will try to make our great state proud. Today, we also heard from the lawmaker who introduced the bill. He says he still thinks the statue is a good idea.
I respect her wishes. However, I'm going to put the bill on hold, and I'm going to ask her fan base to encourage her to accept this honor because she is deserving of the honor.
Representative John Mark Wendell went on to say no one else right now has the respect of so many in our country as Dolly Parton.